My mom likes to say that the best thing that she left for us was sending us to school, but I don't think that's the best thing she did for us. The example that she set up for us, that's the best thing she ever did. When we were growing up, she was the only parent present and she would always work. She would sometimes have to have 2 jobs to be able to provide for us. She would work like mornings and afternoons or overnight just so we could be taken care of. She had that go-get-it attitude, you know. That's really powerful because you grow up seeing that. That's where we got our good work ethic from. And when you come over here to Colorado, especially here in the Valley, with a lot of work and not a lot of skills, people to do the work, would allow someone to be careless when it comes to communication and taking care of their clients. That does not align with who we want to be.
You don't get an appreciation of giving some contractors business in the Valley. You sometimes feel like you're an annoyance to them. And that was not at all present in any communications with Ricardo. I think he was very appreciative of the business. He was very professional with it. I would actually get a call or a text when he was done. Hey, this is what we did today. Maybe even a photo of what he did. And this is what we're doing tomorrow. And this is when you can expect us to be here. And I was kind of flabbergasted of that. I was like, I don't really remember any of that ever happening during construction of the home. So that made me feel pretty good about who I was spending my money with.
I would like to take care of my client no matter the market. I just want that experience to be perfect for them, to feel we're honoring that trust. I want to be there for them, and that's how I want to stand out from the competition. My mom is retired now. I would say she feels proud of me, and I'm planning on making her a lot more proud here in the future, hopefully.